Hey everybody, I hope that you all are having an amazing day. So we are back in the kitchen and we are doing some more preservation. So I preserved the potatoes that I got out of my garden by dry packing them and seasoning them. These potatoes I purchased from Costco in bulk. I purchased, I think it's a 10-pound bag from Costco. And so I decided to go ahead and wash them up. Then I peeled them and now I'm cutting them up so that I can get ready to preserve them. This takes a while because it was a lot of potatoes, and also I chose to wash and clean mine for, I want to say, probably about a good 2 to 3 hours. I wanted to make sure that there was no cloudiness in the water before I actually put them in my jars and got them ready to can. So after getting them all chopped up, I decided to continue to rinse them off. This is probably about my second or third time rinsing them, and I just let them sit in cold water. And as you can see, there's still some cloudiness, so I have to let them sit and soak. And this time they were actually ready to go, and so I started jarring up my packing them into my jars. The only thing I put in my jars are 1 full teaspoon of 1 full teaspoon of canning salt, and I also added some seasoning to it, just a little bit. Then I went ahead and I added my liquid, which I'll tell you guys about later. And then I also wiped my rims off, which you can see with the vinegar. Now I'm going to just let these pressure can for 40 full minutes. And I will be back to talk to you guys in the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna talk to you all here. So this is my weight. This has been down, this little piece has been down hot, probably about 5 to 8 minutes. So I'm just gonna remove my weight. I'm gonna sit over here because it's still kind of hot. I'm gonna put on some gloves because the last video I made with my yams, I didn't have on anything and I almost got my darn hand on. All right, so I'm just gonna twist it and pull away from my face. There's also some water here leaking from the condensation. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna flip the top, and I will sit this right here on the side. I can tell that it's still like bubbling from the boil. So I can tell that it's some of the water seeps, which is fine. I'm just gonna pull one up and let you all see. So this is just potatoes that I cut up into chunks, as you can see. It is 1 teaspoon of canning salt, and then I added just a little bit of Italian seasoning, or my version of Italian seasoning, because it's got like quite a few different seasonings in it. And then the liquid, y'all, this thing is heavy, but it's hot too. Let me see right here. So the liquid is, I use some veggie bouillon, and I also use some chicken bouillon that I mix together, and that's my liquid, because I did not want just plain water for my potatoes. So I'm gonna move these sweet potatoes just a little bit. Y'all, these things are so hot. They still hot, and they've been out the canner for a little over an hour. But and they're sticking to my rag or towel because they were sticky when they came out. All right, so I'm just gonna add all of these. Woo, you can hear it seeping. So I'm trying to be careful. I also want to say that I do pack my potatoes really well, and I'm glad I did, because there was not a lot of, unlike my sweet potatoes, when these shrunk, they didn't shrink up so much where there's a lot of liquid. to, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 quart jars. Oops, 7 quart jars, and I use 1 5-pound bag of Yukon Gold potatoes. So, you guys, it's been a really good candy day for me today. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will definitely see you in the next video.